Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will start the new session about Looker Studio. If you are new to Looker Studio, don't worry. In this series, I will guide you step by step through everything you need to know. In today's video, I will show you just the Looker Studio interface, nothing too heavy. Day by day, I will explain each and everything. So let's get started. So now question is, what is Looker Studio? If I go to my browser and type just Looker Studio, you can find out the Looker Studio overview link. So click on it, and that is your dashboard. What exactly is Looker Studio? It is a free tool from Google, you know that, and helps you turn boring data into beautiful interactive reports and dashboards. Imagine pulling all your numbers from Google Analytics, YouTube, Facebook ads, or even spreadsheets are showing them in one simple and also the colorful report you can create. So why people love the local studio? Because it's a free, it's connect to many data sources. You can customize the design. It's update in real times, and also you need to know coding knowledge to creating the all kind of way. So we are go to the dashboard. You can see that today I am just try to understand to you interface of Looker Studio. You can see that a plus sign, and that is the create button. If you click it, you can find out the report section, data source section, and explorer sections. So report tab, this shows all the reports you have created or that are shared with. And the data source tab, there are the connections to your data like Google Analytics, Google Sheets, or ads, any kind of ads and any kind of interface. Looker Studio are almost accepted all kind of advertising platform. And you can also see the template. If you don't want to start from the sketch, you can use to ready-made template here. So I am just go to the create and report. So I am just go to the blank report to understand. So I am selecting just my country and then just giving my name, and I agree the local studio all terms and conditions and continue. And that is the some tips and recommendation. So you can just yes to all and continue. So you have to find out the blank report, and you can see that all are visible because we do not putting the any data from our ad data to read. So I am just go to Google Analytics. You can see that all interfaces are listed here. You can adding any kind of interface to create your report on it. I want to just click the Google Analytics. So I'm adding the Google Analytics property, and after adding my Google Analytics code, you can see that in the right side we have it. You have to find out the data, and you have a search options which data you have to implement on this report. And in of the data row, you have a add field option and also the parameter option. So in the left hand side, you have a two type of form layout. One is free form, one is responsive. So I'm selecting the responsive for it. And also you have option to giving the your report title and date range and also the report. So I'm selecting the title. So I have an option to optimize the title. In this area, I have to optimize each and everything. And you just see this, the change the report title, and you have to optimize everything. And you have a background option. If you select on it, the background are changed. If you increase and decrease the opacity, if I am just selecting the 50%, the opacity decrease, and also you have a border weight. You can optimize the border weight, each and everything. That is for the only text properties. You have to optimize each and everything, and also the font color text, and you have a find out the your text format from here. And I am go to the main report. You can see that we have to find out our GA4 property which we have adding. So today I do not discuss about the report. I am just understand to you about the Looker Studio interface. In future we have to create lots of report. Then we have to understand each and everything. So in the menu bar, you can see that you have a zoom option, and also you can adding the page from here. you can see that our page, second page we have to open, and you have an arrow option to go to the your targeted pages and add data. We are just adding the our Google Analytics 4 data. If you need the more data implement on this report, you have also option in add data, and you have a blend it, and you have the option to add the blend. In future we have to discuss about more what is blend. And also you know that in the report section we need to create the lots of chart, and you can see that Google Analytics for reporting section we have a using the bar chart, line chart, lots of charts. So you have an option to customize and visualize the funnel and also the chart. You can see that all chart here. So we have to use it future. Add a control section. You have an option to optimize lots of option, and we also discussed about it. And from your computer or online resources, you have to use the images and also the text and shape for optimize your reach. So I hope you understand the menu bar, what actually happening in local studio. And you have an insert option to insert the lots of things. You can see that. And page, you have to arrange the all of page from here. And in the report we have a date range. So we back to our dashboard, and you are go to the your template. Here you can see that you have to find out the template gallery to create this template. If I am go to the any template and select the e-commerce PPC that is created by the local studio, we have to find out the e-commerce PPC dashboard from local studio. And also you have template gallery. You can see that template gallery on this dashboard. You have to adding this template gallery if you do not use it from the sketch. So basically in future we are creating the each and every report from the sketch. So and if you go to the data source, and here you can see that you have to edit all of data source, and that is also the search console, YouTube Analytics, Google Ad Manager, and also the Microsoft Excel. And you can see the Facebook ads, Google ads. You can go to the one, then here you have to authorize it, and you have to synchronize with your email. So you can go to the another profile for you, and that is the Facebook ads reporting from using the local studio. You can see that overview of Facebook, and also the campaign. They have to create the different pages and different section. They have to implement all of the Facebook ads campaign, ad set. You can see the ad set, ads, demographic, location, device breakdown, and also that will be the hourly breakdown. So this type of report we have to create using by the local studio. So this video only we have to create the quick tour of the local studio interface. So we are keeping in simple step by step. So by the end of this series, we will confident using local studio for any kind of report. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.